What's up, everyone? Today I'm about to show you something insane that just dropped in MassiveMark. And trust me, this is going to absolutely blow your mind. Now, if you're new here and haven't used MassiveMark before, don't worry. I'll leave a link to my complete MassiveMark tutorial in the description below. Make sure to check that out first so you can see just how powerful this tool already is. All right, let's dive in. First, let's get into MassiveMark's playground. Just like usual, click the red icon on the left. Now I'll just paste some simple text, even just ABC works, and hit Insert. And boom. This opens up the full MassiveMark playground with all its features. But today I want you to pay attention to something new. See this brand new button right here? This is MassivePix, and it says Insert Text from Image. And the best part? Right now, this insane feature is completely free. Let me show you what this thing can do. This right here is an insanely powerful OCR tool. MassivePix can handle any printed text from images, PhD-level complex mathematical content, even those dreaded mathematical equations with all symbols and formulas, chemical diagrams and structures, perfectly formatted code snippets, tabular data with tables extracted exactly as they appear. All formatting preserved, and everything you extract can be exported directly to Word or PDF, exactly as it appears in your original image. Let's start with something that usually gives other tools nightmares, a complex mathematical equation. You know, the kind you'd find in PhD papers. Let me grab the screenshot I want to OCR and extract the mathematical equation from. Step 1. Just click the MassivePix button here. Step 2. Either drag and drop your image or click to upload. PNG, JPG, WebP, all those formats work. Step 3. Select the languages that appear in your document for accurate OCR. You can even select multiple languages if your image contains mixed text. So if your image has both English and French text, just select both languages. Step 4. Hit Process Image, and let's wait for it to do the magic. Boom! Look at that! That complex mathematical content, perfectly extracted with all notations, symbols, formulas, everything formatted exactly as it was in the screenshot. Now let me show you something that would take ages to recreate manually, a complex research table. Let me grab the screenshot of the table that I want to extract as it is. Step 1, click the MassivePix button here. Step 2, click to upload the image just like before. Step 3, select the languages that appear in your document for accurate OCR. Step 4, hit Process Image and let's wait for it to work its magic. Boom! Look at that! That complex table, perfectly extracted with all rows, columns, cell contents, borders, everything formatted exactly as it was in the screenshot. MassivePix can extract text and OCR everything. Mathematical equations, complex tables, code blocks, multiple languages, and the best part? All formatting is preserved automatically. Think about it. Any text, any math equation, any table, any code snippet, instantly digitized with perfect formatting. No more retyping, no more formatting headaches. And right now, this incredible tool is absolutely free to use. This is a game changer for students, researchers, developers, basically anyone who works with documents. Think about how much time this saves. Students copying math problems, researchers extracting tables, developers grabbing code snippets, anyone working with multiple language content. Don't forget to smash that like button if this helped you out, and hit subscribe for more insane productivity tools and hacks. Want to learn more about MassiveMark's other powerful features? Check out my other videos where I break down everything you need to know about using MassiveMark for ultimate productivity workflows.